biggest problem with these older bass boats is the trailer fenders. Some guys can get the bass boat, like their boat looking great, but then they're hauling a beautiful boat around with like terrible looking trailer fenders. And obviously you can't call an order on them anymore because, you know, they stopped doing that after so many years. We're gonna try something a little different this time. So with these fenders, I think what we're gonna do is use a high-end clear coat. We've got them sanded down 600 right now. Now they're just trailer fenders, so it's not anything like the boat. Obviously never use automotive clear on a boat. It'll fail miserably within like a month. But for the fenders, I think it's gonna be ideal, especially to cut cost on materials and time, because normally what I'll do is re-clear gel coat this entire fender and probably have like 6 hours of labor or more into it. But you know, with clear, I think it's gonna be better because it's not gonna fade. At this point with the fender, if you try to sand and buff this, it's just going to, it's gonna haze up, it's gonna be cloudy, and then, you know, a week down the road, it's just gonna be all oxidized again. It's gonna look terrible. You can just about feel the flakes in this fender. So in some areas, it started to turn silver just a tiny bit, even with 600. But right now everything's sanded 600. So when I get the rest of the boat off of the trailer, we're gonna take this carpet off. It's just, I think it's got some rivets in it. And then we're gonna spray, I think I'm gonna go with Sickens PC clear. It's a really good clear. I think it's gonna be good for this one. Or just a high impact clear. I've also looked at All Grip. They have a new clear out. I think it's All Cat 3000. I want to try that as well. But Quantum Paint is a company we're working with now with paints, so I need to see what they got on shelf first because they got way better deals than All Grip. So make sure you check them out. Looks like this trailer's got a little bit of rust. It's not too bad. Still holds the carpet though, I guess.